Hey guys, I'm Jay. Today is my LeetCode review vlog on the 13th problem, which is called the Roman to integer problem. As we all know, Roman numerals are represented by 7 different symbols and its current value. For example, 2 is written as double I in Roman numeral, just 2 ones added together. Roman numerals are usually written largest to smallest from left to right. However, there are 6 instances where subtraction is used. For example, I can be placed before V to make 4. And here come several examples. If we got the triple I as an input, we have to output 3, as each I is representing 1. Then, let's get started with the intuition first. We can get our intuition from 2 rules from the description. The first is Roman numerals are usually written largest to smallest from left to right. And the second rule is there are 6 instances where subtraction is used. So our intuition is when we meet a smaller value appears before a larger value, it stands for subtraction. On the other side, where a smaller value appears after or equal to a larger value, it represents addition. Then, let's get started with our code right now. The first step is we have to create a hash map, and the type of the key should be character, and the type of the value should be the integer, which is corresponding to the 7 pairs of the Roman numeral symbol and its corresponding value. So m is equal to new hash map, and we have to put every entry into the map. M dot put the first character is I and the corresponding value is 1. We have to create 7 pairs. The second pair is V, X, L, C, D, and M. And the corresponding value is 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, and 500, and 1000. That's the first step. And the second step is we can have a for loop. And the condition is I is less than s dot length, and increment I after each iteration. Inside the for loop, before we do that, we have to create a variable called answer to add all the subtraction and addition together. The first step is we have to check for the value between the current position and the next position. Our first condition is we have to check for the boundary of our s length. If we don't do that, we'll get an index out of boundary exception. I should be less than s dot length minus 1. That's because we have to get the value of the next position element. I is less than s dot length minus 1, and the next condition is m dot get s dot character at I, and it should be less than m.get s.character at I plus 1. If the two conditions are all true, then it means we have to do a subtraction. Answer should subtract m dot get s dot character at I. On the other side, we have to do an addition. At the end of the for loop, we just can return the value of answer variable, and that's all of it. Subtraction. Yes, it is got accepted, and we can add more annotations here, and we can analyze the time and space complexity. The time complexity is big O of n, as we only have a one for loop to traverse the whole characters in the string. And for the space complexity is big O of 1, as we just create a hash map with constant pairs. And thank you guys for watching. This is the end of my LeetCode review vlog on the Roman to integer problem. You can also check for the detailed notes on my GitHub repository here. I'll put the link on my YouTube description below. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.